So what we look at definitely, like, when we are ideating or launching in a new campaign, we look at it should be core to our brand thought. It should, what is my communication objective, and what is my long-term goal, what I want to achieve through that. And it should be like, we should have tick marks in all three boxes before starting any campaign. Once we agree on communication, communication objective, then we actually pass it on to the agency, and then ask them to come up with a strategy how it can be taken across social media platform, rather than coming up with one social media platform strategy. Let's say, like, this is what we can actually do this in Facebook. So if this is my communication thought, how it can go across platforms, because I want to use that same thought across platforms, so that it is seen as, like, is my core thought, and wherever you go, you get the similar messages. Other important part is that how we are going to measure it, and what is my success parameter of this campaign. So is it that, getting more fans is a success parameter, getting more engagement is a success parameter? As I just said, like, is it like, trending is a success parameter, or it is getting this much tweets and that is a success parameter, or like, linkage to the tweet is a success parameter. It is important to define the success parameter. It can be different parameters for different campaigns, but unless you define it, you might be satisfied with less, probably you could have achieved more, or you can get some right, you may not get some right. So if you define it correctly in the beginning, it helps you in doing strategizing better, it helps you to execute better, it helps you to do course correction better.